So, this is lesson 1-6. Put that in your notebook. Also, the exact date. I don't know what day it is, but I do know it's the day after yesterday. This lesson has some really important properties that you're going to need to use all year, but not a lot of practice on the properties. So, let's chat a little bit. Under vocabulary, go ahead and put inverse property of multiplication. All that is, every non-zero number has a, and this is your next vocabulary word, multiplicative inverse. Every non-zero number has a multiplicative inverse, and I'll come back to what that is, such that that number a times 1 over a equals 1. Now that I've said that, you can probably figure out what a multiplicative inverse is. For example, 2 and 1/2 are multiplicative inverses. Also, -6 and -1 over 6 are multiplicative inverses. So you've got two vocabulary things: inverse property of multiplication, multiplicative inverse. Your last vocabulary word is reciprocal, which I think you know. I just gave you a quick example here. 5/6 and 6/5 are reciprocals. And then I gave you something I want you to remember. You don't have to write it down unless it will help you remember it. The reciprocal of a number is the multiplicative inverse. So we've got three ideas here that are all connected, and this is going to become very important when we start manipulating equations. So this chapter is about multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. So I would like you to make a choice. If you feel like you can multiply and divide negative numbers in your sleep, then please go to page 43, and on page 43 and 44, do number 48 to 64 even, do number 66 to 69, all of them. If you want a little bit of review, just manipulating the multiplying and dividing, here's your other choice. On page 42, do number 8 through number 47 even. But you say, what if I need both? Well, use your brain. You know I expect you to do about half an hour of homework, so warm up with a few of these, and then see if you can tackle a few of these, and we will get it all graded tomorrow. Really, the only other information you might need to know that you might have forgotten when you're multiplying or dividing, combination, two negatives, your answer is going to be positive. One of each, and this is multiplying or dividing, your answer is going to be negative. That's all. Shortest video ever. Go get your homework done.